You know, there's a couple of things that are coming up. ICL is actually designing a new course that is going to kind of take the basic skills idea, which lawyers need once they have actually graduated from law school. But what we would like to do is expand that course into lawyers that have been practicing for 7 years or less, and give them some resource tools on how to build a practice.
Sure.
You know, I know law school is famous for teaching you, you know, the basics of the law, as well as rounding you out in terms of some of the instrumentals that you need. But a lot of times, it doesn't deal with the practicality of what you face on a day-to-day business to run a business. You know.
I think that would be very helpful, especially not only for the segment that's immediately starting out, but that segment that has worked for somebody for a couple of years. And like, I worked at the big firms for a while, and then I went off on my own, and of course it's completely different, but you need those basic skills when you work for somebody. So something that would be tremendously helpful. Another resource that I used when I started out in 2003 of reinventing myself is the American Bar Association has a book, and I think it's called How to Open and Start a Law Practice by Jay Foonberg, F-O-O-N-B-E-R-G, or U-R-G, which is very, very helpful on the business basics. And practicing law and being a good lawyer is a completely different skill set than running a business. And going through these courses, you'll see what all these things are, especially if you're thinking of going out on your own. And it'll help you know whether you have the inventory skills or the personality to deal with the hardships, being the jack of all trades, and all of those other things that are necessary for a small practitioner.